I'm going to show you how to move widgets in a linear in Sketchware. So let's start. So now in case I'm using Sketchware, so to share the Moreblock I'm using Shelly, so which is available on Play Store. If you didn't download it yet, so please kind to download it. I will set the download link in the description below. So now go to Sketchware and open and create a project. I will create as move object, move widgets, create. So as the project is created, I need the source code. So I need the Moreblock. So I'm going to share link and open the link in the description below. So I will set the link in the description. So paste the URL or open the URL. So now I'm going to search it and done. So move it in Sketchware. So just watch the video till end so you can get the Moreblock. Okay, the ad is over. So click add more box in Sketchware. Successfully the Moreblock added Sketchware. So go to Sketchware and restart Sketchware. So in this case I'm going to switch the Wi-Fi so I can proceed here more easily without ads in Sketchware. So now I'm going to close and go to Sketchware, restart Sketchware. So Sketchware is now restarted. Go to the project and go to events, Moreblock, import, and you can see the Moreblock is added. Here the Moreblock is added. So paste it and put a linear, put as width. So in this around this linear you can move anywhere of, let's put a button. So in this linear you can move the button any place in the linear. So let's try it. Go to create and go to the widgets, Moreblock, move object in Sketchware. So the view should be the linear and the object is the button. So now that inside the linear the button can be moved out. So now let's wait till it compile. So now Epic is building. So now let's install, open, and now you can see you can drag the object in the linear. You can see you can drag at any place. So this is how we put it. So hope you like this video, and if you have any issue about this how to drag, and please let me in the comment section, and thank you.